Ho, ho, ho! Hey, kids, look who's here. It's Mimi and Papa, and they've come all the way to the frosty North Pole just to tell me how wonderful you are. And I'm really impressed. So impressed, I'm bumping you to the top of the nice list. But I need you to do something for me. I need you to listen to them. They're smart, well-traveled, and love you with all of their hearts. And listen to the people that love and take care of you every day. Do what you told, do it the first time, and do it with a good attitude. And be nice. Be nice to each other, and be nice to everyone. That's what's going to keep you on top of the nice list. From the North Pole, Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 ho!
New intro for the Journey to Alaska YouTube series featuring the 4 nomads. I'm Mike.
I'm Leanne. I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
And we are in Alaska. We are happy to be here in Alaska. We want you to continue following our journey, and we'll put up videos as we go.
There are all 8 of Santa's reindeers out here, minus Rudolph. We don't know where Rudolph is, but they look so bad right now because they're shedding their skin because it's summer here. And they don't want, not skin, their fur.
Yeah.
And they don't want all that fur. And they don't like the flies and the mosquitoes either.
Yeah.
And their horns, those aren't horns, what are those? Antlers. Their antlers are all covered in fur right now. These are their new antlers. We found out yesterday they shed their antlers. They lose them and they grow new ones every year. So all of that is new growth.
Male and female.
Male
have
and
antlers.
female. Yep. The female actually loses her antlers after the male. He loses his first. She keeps hers to protect the babies, and then she loses her antlers and grows new ones.
There you go. Christmas tree here at North Pole. There it is, Santa. Welcome to Santa's house at the North Pole. 101 St. Nicholas Drive, North Pole, since 1950. Open daily. Santa Claus house. A Christmas to all from North Pole, Alaska. Greetings from North Pole, Alaska. Here at the North Pole.
There you go.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we're sat here at the North Pole at Santa Claus's house and just amazed at how much goes on in this production facility here. So we're going to wish you a Merry Christmas.
But we have to show them the reindeer bells.
Oh, well, watch this. Simple as that. Magic. The reindeer bells. I guess that's what you call sleigh bells, right?
Magical sound of Christmas.
Look at all the toys Santa's got put away.
From the North Pole, Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 ho!